Hi guys, this is Sarim Sabir, officially the CEO of FX Orbit. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you all the trades I shared live in the community, real entries, real profits and clean risk management. Let's break it down step by step. Trade 1. Gold buy at 3363. So the first trade of the day was a gold buy. The targets were TP1 at 3369, TP2 at 3373 and TP3 at 3377. Stop loss was set at 3355. I shared this as a high confidence setup. Momentum was building and we caught the move perfectly. TP1 and TP2 hit quickly and after that all targets were smashed. It was a beautiful clean move. Over 100 pips locked before news. Then I gave another live entry. Gold buy at 3375. Targets were 3380, 3384, 3387 and 3390. Stop loss was at 3368. TP1 and TP2 hit smoothly. After that I moved the stop to break even and stayed risk free. Later I shared an update. Close gold buy at 3385 and booked plus 100 pips profit. Why? Because PPI news was coming and I never hold blindly during high impact news. No greed, no risk, we protected the capital. Trade 3. Gold sell at 3390. Right after the news, I shared a sell setup. Gold sell at 3390 to 3391. Targets were 3385, 3381 and 3376. Stop loss was at 3400. This was a high risk to reward setup. TP1 and TP2 already hit and the trade is still running toward the final target. So just today, first buy TP3 hit over 100 pips, second buy close with 100 pips, third sell TP2 hit still running. That's more than 200 pips in a single day, live real time and fully managed. If you are still missing these trades or entering late, it's time to join FX Orbit and trade smart. Everything I do is transparent, precise and fully planned in advance. Check the links below to join the community. Thanks for watching. If you found value, drop a like and comment below. Let me know which trade you took today. Don't forget to subscribe for more real no fluff breakdowns. This is Sarim Sabir, CEO of FX Orbit signing off. Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.